This is Riya and welcome to my channel. If you want to see a hair straightening tutorial, then keep watching this video till end. I have already washed my hair. Now I am going to use a product as a heat resistant. Here I am using Pantene Pro V oil replacement as a heat resistant before hair styling. I am taking the product a walnut size on my palm and spreading it evenly on my hair. Now I am going to take a small section and going to tie the remaining one in a small bun. Now I'm brushing my hair to detangle them, and I'm taking a small section and straightening it with the help of a hair straightener and my hairbrush. Now I'll do the similar process on the second section of my hair. Now I'm taking another section of my hair and separating the rest one with the help of a small bun. The hair on my left side are those which I have already straightened, and on the right side are those which I'm going to straight right now. Now you can see my hair are looking so shiny, so straight. Now you can just make a puff and go on wherever you wanna go, or you can just leave your hair as it is and you're ready. If you like my video, then do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos.